Hello oil lovers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taba Christine, and this is going to be a video on what I have in my Young Living starter kit. Now, I've done a video on what I have beyond my Young Living kit, and I will, and after this video you can look that up. And please comment down below what your favorite oil is and why you like it. And if you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up if you did, and please subscribe. And let's hop right into it. So the first thing I'm going to show you is all the basic oils. Now the basic oils are the ones that just have just one basic oil in it. Such as the first one I'm going to show you is lavender. See that right there? Lavender is a good one to help relax you and to relieve stress from the day. I like to put it in my diffuser, and it really just helps us wind down from the day. Have you ever gone through like a lavender field, and if you smell all the lavender, it's supposed to be what the oils smell like. If they don't smell exactly what the plant smells like, then you're getting the wrong kind of oil. So this is an excellent one to have. This is what got me hooked. This is what got me to say yes to Young Living, yes to the oils. This is a lifesaver. Now the rest of the oils are what else comes in the premium starter kit, and I will go through those now. The next one we have is a basic oil as well. It is called frankincense. Now frankincense has a good woodsy smell. It has a kind of a masculine smell almost. I put it on my face at night sometimes, and it helps, it helps with the softness of my face, and it kind of just cleanses the face after a long hard day. I sometimes diffuse it around Christmas time because it really brings out the Christmas spirit, and that's what that one is. Let's see here. We also got peppermint. Now this is a vitality oil. The white labels are vitality oils. These are the oils you can ingest. So peppermint, you can get the herb peppermint if you ever just kind of pick it up and smell it with your hand. It smells like peppermint, right? Well, this smells exactly the same way, and I use it for itching and breathing. I put it in a diffuser, and it smells amazing, and it gets rid of all the nastiness in your lungs and in your throat and even your nose. It helps you really get rid of all those nasty toxins in your body. Another good one is lemon. Now lemon is a great one for cleaning purposes. I put it in some water, and I clean with it. All those recipes that suggest like lemon juice, you can use a couple of drops of this instead, and it tastes just as well. And actually it's just pure lemon oil. It doesn't have any of those extra stuff in it to make it last longer or anything. It's just pure, and it really helps with it also helps with weight management. If you put it in like an 8-ounce glass of water, it gives it a little, enhances the flavor a little bit, just like lemon water, just without the whole lemon, just the lemon oil. This really comes in handy sometimes. Alright, moving right along, we have copaiba. Copaiba, I'm not exactly sure if it's a blend or not. I think it's just, I think it comes from that country. I'm not exactly sure which. But it's an oil that I use. It's basically an enhancer. So you put like copaiba and like lavender together. It just brings out the smell of the lavender, especially in like if you put it in the diffuser or something. And it really brings out the smell. I also use it for headaches, actually. It comes in really handy because I just rub it on my temples and then just rub it across my forehead, and it gets rid of the nasty headache that you might get sometimes, or the migraine sometimes. Moving right along here. This is also a vitality oil, but you can also use it for multiple purposes. This is thieves. Now, these can be used for cleaning. Like I said before, I use lemon for cleaning. If you put these two together in like a gallon, like 2 or 3 drops of each in a gallon of water, and you clean with it, anything anywhere from countertops in the kitchen to toilets in the bathroom. It's an all-purpose cleaner. It works really, really well. And these can also be put in a veggie capsule. You put 2 or 3 drops in there, followed by a carrier oil such as such as olive oil. And you take it internally, so if you're ever getting sick or having sniffles or something, or you think you're coming down with a stomach bug, this is a really good oil to have around for that purpose. You just take it, and it usually gets rid of the flu within like 24 hours if you do it 2 or 3 times in a day. And also we have panaway. I have no idea how to pronounce it. Anyways, this oil comes in really, really handy for those times when your back is hurt, your lower back or upper back is hurting. Maybe you can put it with another like carrier oil or massage oil or something, and it really helps to, it's like an icy hot, so it kind of moves and relaxes your muscles in your back. Or while you're hurting really bad, this is a really good one to have around. I know my boyfriend uses it all the time for that purpose. RC. I call it Relax and Comfort. I'm not sure what the name is for it, but this one is also, it's a good one for breathing as well. I don't think you can really ingest this one, but it does smell really good. I usually put this one in the diffuser a lot, and it just kind of helps relax and comfort me and gets rid of all the sniffles and sneezes and stuff like that. Alright, moving right along, we have Digest. Digest is a vitality oil as well. It's basically used for if you're having an upset stomach or you're trying to balance out the toxins in your body, trying to flush them all out. This is a good gentle one to use. I definitely put this one in the capsule because I do not like the taste or the smell of it, so if I don't like it, I'm not going to take it, right? But if I put it in a capsule and take it, no problem. And I've seen massive results with this. So that one's definitely a good one to have around. Purification. Purification is a good one for like if you're having stinkies in the house, like some, I don't know, just some kind of stinkiness. This is a good one to put in the diffuser to get rid of the stinkiness. Like even in the like fridge, if like you know just kind of have really smells in the fridge, put some baking soda in like a bowl and put a couple of drops of purification in there, and the smell will go right away. This is a really good one as well. And then for a bonus oil, we have Stress Away. Stress Away, hence the name, it gets rid of a lot of stress in the house. So I put it in my diffuser, and after I've had a rough day, and it just takes stress away. Yeah. Okay, those are the 11 oils that I have in the premium starter kit, and they have multiple functions. You can use it, you know, a lot of different ways to use that particular function. So for first starting out, it's a way to go. Next off, we have, well, in the starter kit they have Ningxia Red. I don't have any because I drank it first 2 days I had the starter kit actually because it was so good. And then I got this, and I've been hooked on it. It is Nitro. Basically, the Nitro just has some extra energy in it, extra energy boost. It's basically a vitamins and like a little tube. That's all it is. It's got all the vitamins you may need for the day plus extra. And then this one, it has just extra energy, but it's natural energy. I think it's got green tea in it, but it can also help detoxify your body, and it can get rid of all the negative toxins in your body. And so this is amazing. This is also what got me hooked. And I've been doing this for about a year, and it has basically changed my life, let me tell you. Alright, and then another thing that I got that you get in the starter kit is the diffuser, obviously, because you're going to need one of these. I use this about every single day. And so basically, you can get different ones with this, but I got the basic one. I'm going to need to get another one for another part of my house soon. But you just put 2 or 3 drops of 2 different kinds of oils in it, and then you just turn it on and diffuse it. I recommend using distilled water, but you can use regular tap water if you want, or whatever kind of, just basic water. And then it does say to clean it every once in a while. I have a bad habit of not cleaning mine, but it will let you know because it won't run as well, and it'll leave you'll just know. Put it that way, you'll just know. It's very smart in that way. So definitely. And the premium starter kit is like $160, but with the 11 oils, the diffuser, some sample packets, and some of these for $150, weirdly range from $350 to $400 sometimes. It is a total game changer, and I'm here to tell you that it has changed my life. I have not even had it. I've had it about 10 months, and it has changed my life. So if you have any questions, how to get started, any questions about the oils or anything, please leave a comment down below, and I will get to you shortly. I hope you liked this video. Please give the big thumbs up if you did. Please subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Love you guys. Bye.